I don't know whether these wig manufacturers actually know what to give us anymore. First they had 4x4, then they had 13x4, then they had 5-inch deep center part, and now we have also 6x6. So why not just do all of them, you know, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6. Where's it going to end? No standard. What we do know is that obviously the more parting area that there is, the better it is, because you get a more natural look. The wig I have today is the RCP 6602 Tailor wig by Main Concepts, which was formerly Isis collection. The stock card says that it is a 6x6 lace wig. It's part of the Red Carpet collection, made of Futura fiber, so it's tonguable. And it also has this beautiful greeny brown color SR1B camo, probably worth a try. And it's also Swiss lace, so it is soft lace. So let's check for shedding. So this is the wig straight out of the box, not much to see. A nice soft gentle wave. It's going to give it a bit of a tug to see whether it sheds. I have a bit of resistance at the ends, so it's likely to tangle a little bit, which is natural for long wigs. I mean, ask anyone who has extra long natural hair, you'll know that their hair tangles. So I've got a moderate amount of shedding, not a huge amount, given that it's quite dense, it's quite voluminous, this wig. Not the best, not the worst, it's fine, it's acceptable. This is the inside of the wig. As you can see, it's got 6-inch deep parting area. It's also 6 inches wide. 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, and the drawstring. There's no silk on the bottom of that lace, so it is just like a frontal would be. I haven't yet cut the lace, as you can see. Just want to check out that parting and see what we get. That's really good. I mean, that's definitely freedom. So now I've got it on, I can actually see that, you know, it's got some layers cut into it, some very long bangs just here. Main Concept have a tendency to do that because it makes the wigs look a little bit more natural. So I've cut the lace. You can really see the fullness of the wig. It's a nice density. It's not too full so that it looks wiggy, not too thin either. This is the hairline at close. The texture of the hair is not yucky, but it's not silky either. And it's like, oh, I don't know how to describe it, because they're getting good at this, and suddenly the terms that we were using before don't really describe that, the type of hair that they're producing. It's really nice. Let me show you all the way around. This is with all the hair pulled forward. The cap construction is good. It's a beautiful fit. It doesn't feel tight. Aha. It's come to me. I know what this texture is like. It is like Italian hair. Maybe it's correct to call it Italian yaki texture, but that's it. That's what it reminds me of. This hair texture is like Italian hair. Interestingly, I think that this would be a good wig both for black people and white people because of the hair texture. It's a great wig to wear every day. Don't forget to subscribe, to give me a thumbs up, please, so that we can share more reviews together.